Today, I'll show you how to set up your Cash App account in just a few easy steps. If you're using an Android phone, open the Play Store. If you're on iPhone like me, go to the App Store, search for Cash App, download it, and open it once it's installed. To sign up, you can use either your phone number or email. I'll use my email. After entering it, tap Next, then check your inbox for a confirmation code, copy it, and paste it back into Cash App. You'll be asked to add a debit card, but you can skip that for now. Next, enter your first and last name, then create your unique dollar cash tag. This is how people can send you money. Enter your zip code, and you're all set. You can also invite friends to earn bonuses, link your bank or debit cards, edit your profile or bio, and even set up direct deposit or savings right inside the app. That's how simple it is to create your Cash App account fast, easy, and ready to go.